As we know that computer virus is a program used to destroy the important information and programs from the other computers, since it is man-made programs and it is traveling with the help of internet or any infected floppy or USB drive. Since the user is trying to add or attach the USB drive or floppy disk with the computer, it automatically transfers from the USB to the computer and making a copy itself inside the computer and destroying the some useful files and programs from the computer. Viruses are classified on the basis of their nature of the infection and behavior. Some of the computer viruses are boot sector virus, companion virus, email virus, logic bomb, macro virus, cross-site scripting virus, worm, and Trojan horses. We will discuss about the boot sector virus. Boot means what? Boot means starting the computer or loading the computer. As you start the computer, it required certain instructions to load the programs in the computer memory. So the boot sector virus infects the master boot record or hard disk. The infected code runs when the system is booted from an infected disk. They infect at a BIOS level. BIOS means what? Basic Input Output System. They use DOS commands to spread to other floppy disk. Since the floppy disks are not used now, so the boot sector virus got almost over. Next is companion virus. What the companion virus do? The companion virus is a computer virus which does not modify any file. It means it is not opening any file and not changing its data. But what it do? It creates a copy of the file and places a different extension on it. It means it is making the files another copy and changing its extension. Okay, extension means what? The last three character after the dot that appears, that is called extension. Okay, so it is changing the file name and making the extension as .com, so that it can deceive to the operating system that this file is the system file and used in the computer working. Okay, the companion virus is an older version of virus that was more prominent during the MS-DOS. Some examples of the companion virus are Stator Asimo.1539, Stator and Terex.1069. These are the virus used when the MS-DOS was working. Next is email virus. As you know, email means electronic mail. You are sending with the internet, with the help of internet. Okay, so an email virus is a virus which is attached to email communication or sent with it. It means while you are sending and receiving the emails, along with the attachment, this virus files automatically download in your computers and sending some useful informations from your inbox to other recipient or the hacker's mailbox, so that your data automatically transferring with the help of this email virus, or the program is sending your important informations from mailbox to the hacker's box. Okay, email virus also vary in many ways. In some cases, the sender of an email virus may be unknown to a user, or a subject line may be filled with silly text. email virus automatically changing some of the lines of your subject matter or adding some character in the existing one. In some other cases, a hacker may cleverly disguise the email as being from a known and trusted sender. It means sometime email virus is sending the virus program or the files to the known person or the mailboxes which is containing the email from your mailbox to other recipient's mailbox, the genuine mail ID where the recipient can identify that the trusted mail is coming from the sender. So as he is sure that this is the known person's mail, so immediately he download the file and the virus enter in his computer. Next is logic bomb. Logic bomb and time bombs are small malicious program to cause harm at a certain point of time, but they do not replicate. Try to understand. Logic bombs are the small programs or the malicious programs which are coming with the email or the other programs as a hidden segment and installing in your computer, and on a particular date and time they are activating or they are triggering on a particular date and time. Say for example, one virus name is Friday the 13th. This virus activate only on the Friday if the date is 13. On that day it automatically activate and destroy the other useful programs or the files or the data in your computer. So my dear students, these are certain viruses we have discussed. That boot sector virus infect your boot record, and email virus comes in your computer with the help of any attachment and sending your important informations from your mailbox to other recipient. Logic bomb, it activate on a certain point of time or date and day and destroying the important data from your computers. Thank you.